Hello, my name is Mark Bennett. I'm from Jeeves Heater Towels. Our company was established in 1995 in Knysna in the Western Cape. We employ about 100 people here at our factory. We are predominantly an export-focused company with weekly shipments to the United Kingdom, to America, and we also supply select markets in Europe and in Australasia. One of the main factors or challenges that you might have with a potential client is them needing to understand why they need a heater towel. There are three basic fundamentals in terms of the benefits of owning a heater towel. The first is comfort, the second is hygiene, and the third is savings. And I will elaborate a bit on each of those. In terms of comfort, a heated towel offers you a dry and warm towel. The focus is on the dry part. The warm is an emotional draw card, it's an added benefit. But we've all experienced where you have a bath or shower, you dry yourself and you hang your towel up on a non-heated towel. Often, particularly in wet climates or humid climates or during the winter, when you have your next bath or shower and you get out of the bath or shower and you use the towel, it hasn't dried properly yet and it's still damp. Now, that is not comfortable, and once you become familiar and become used to a nice warm and dry towel after your bath or shower, it becomes a right. In terms of hygiene, when towels remain damp, there's a buildup of mold and germs, and eventually you will actually begin to smell your towel when this cycle continues. So by virtue of the heater towel drying the towel, it reduces the speed with which germs and mold will build up. There are clinical tests that have proven that heater towels are effective in significantly reducing the buildup of mold and germs. Lastly, there are savings. Because your towel is staying dry for longer, there's a reduced need to use your washing machine and your tumble dryer. The wattage ratings on both washing machines and tumble dryers are significantly higher than on heater towels, so it's certainly a cost saving to be using a heater towel to keep a towel warm and dry.